All right, Barbara, so I'm going to answer your question for 4C. So 4C says, for a project in their health class, Jasmine and Brenda recorded the amount of milk they drink every day. Jasmine drank 2 pints of milk each day, and Brenda drank 3 pints each day. So first, I'm going to draw a tape diagram to represent that relationship. So I'm going to use my red pen. So we're comparing Jasmine to Brenda. And Jasmine drank 2 pints, so I'm going to draw 2 boxes, and that's going to represent the tape diagram. And then Brenda drank 3 pints, so I'm going to draw 3 boxes to represent that ratio. So you should recognize that from class. So I got that information from the description up here. So next, let's go down to C and read your question. If 1 pint of milk is equivalent to 2 cups, Lulu, here, there, you go. Lulu, want to be famous? Nope, she doesn't. Sorry, that's my dog. She's barking. All right, so if 1 pint of milk is equivalent to 2 cups of milk, how many cups of milk did Jasmine and Brenda each drink? How do you know? So let's think about it this way. We know Jasmine drank 2 pints, and we know Brenda drank 3 pints, right? So if we know each, each of these are worth 1 pint. And we know if we break each of these pints apart or double it, another word for double is multiply it times 2, then that would tell us the number of cups. So 2 pints times 2 is 4 cups. And 3 pints times 2 is 6 cups. So that's the way I taught you in class. One other way to think about it is we know Jasmine has 2 pints. So I'm just going to draw these long rectangles. Oop, let's pretend like the, oh, okay. Let me just start over. That looked bad. Okay. We know Jasmine has 2 pints. And we know Brenda has 3 pints. And we know from here that 1 pint equals 2 cups. So we know 1 pint equals 2 cups. So we can take this 1 pint and we're going to split it into 2 cups. We're going to take the second pint and split it into 2 cups. So you see 2 pints is equal to 4 cups. Okay? And 3 pints is equal to 6 cups. Okay? So let's just make sure we answer the question. We showed how we knew. We showed how many of each they would have. And we know this because for every 1 pint, there are 2 cups. So, for every 1 pint, there are 2 cups. 2 pints times 2 cups equals 4 cups. And then 3 pints times 2 cups equals 6 cups. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. These units are a little wonky right here. We're going to come back to that, and we're going to talk about cancellation units. But for now, this is all.